Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your boating license in Tennessee. So first is head over to tn.gov. From here in the search bar, we're just going to search for boating license, then click on it. So from the search results, we're just going to click on this boating education in Tennessee. So from this page, you can see here information about getting your boating permit. And if we scroll down, you can see here steps and guidelines to follow for you to be able to get your license or permit. You can see here who needs a Tennessee Boating Education certification and also how do I study. And from this section on how do I take the exam, first you must be at least 12 years old to take the exam. And after studying the boating safety material, you're going to need to first purchase a boating safety exam permit from this link. Just click on this link. And from that link, just click on licensing, go to site. And from here, you're going to need to get your boating safety exam permit. And to get started, you're going to need to log into an account or start enrolling now. Just add in your date of birth, last name, and last four numbers of your SSN. Next, you can see here that once you're done with this link, you can then take the boating safety exam online by following this link, and this will redirect you to the TWRA boat safety exam. You can start by clicking on this button, and from here, you can now start taking your boat safety exam. So, as you can see here, when you pass the exam, you will then receive your wallet card or permit in the mail within a few weeks. So, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!